talk about cell division that is specifically associated with the M phase, the two common types of cell division we talk about is mitosis and meiosis. So whenever we talk about cell division, this is what you talk about, because this is what we have been learning since our school days. Now there is a third type of cell division which is called as amitosis. Now these two are fairly common. These are fairly common types of cell division. They're very common, and this one is the most simplest form but rarely used. It is not very commonly used. Okay, now the one special feature between both of them is the spindle fiber formation. Now there is something like formation of the spindle fibers, condensation of the chromosomes. All this is seen in mitosis and meiosis. Both of these type of cell divisions, they show these two special features, whereas in amitosis both of them are absent. That is, there is no spindle fiber formation and no condensation of chromosomes. Nothing of that happens here. Okay, so it is a very simplistic method of cell division that was first given by Raymack in 1841. Raymack was the scientist who gave it in 1841, and he observed it in the RBCs of chick embryo. Now this amitosis is what we are going to see now before we proceed further into mitosis and meiosis. So this amitosis, it is also called as intranuclear mitosis. Another name for it is intranuclear mitosis, or some people also call it as premitosis. Now, as I've said, it is a rare form of cell division. So normally this form of cell division is generally seen in few examples, like you can see it in the metabolic nucleus of protists. Metabolic nucleus of protists, that is paramecium and like that. It is seen in few monirans, some species of Chara, the algae, and embryonic membrane of few vertebrates. All of these have shown the amitotic type of cell division. So let us see in detail what is amitotic type of cell division. So here is the diagram which explains the amitotic cell division. So this is the parental cell, the initial cell, which we call it as the parental cell, which contains its own nucleus and its own cytoplasm. Now what happens here is there will be no spindle fiber formation. Instead, first the nucleus will elongate. The nucleus elongates into a dumbbell shape. Okay, it elongates into a dumbbell shape in the center of the cell, and from the cell there will be constriction. If I can see, I put two arrows here. So this is called as nuclear constriction. Now, as nuclear constriction develops, at the same time another constriction develops outside the cell. This pink arrows that I am putting, this constriction is called cytoplasmic constriction. So two constrictions develop, one in the nucleus and one in the cytoplasm. Now once nuclear constriction develops, it goes further into the middle. So suppose if this is your nucleus, I am drawing it here. Suppose if this is your dumbbell shaped nucleus which has got elongated, the constriction starts like this, and slowly it reaches to the center. So from the side it will reach the center, and when it reaches the center, what happens? It will divide the nucleus into two parts. So here that's what happened. The nucleus got divided into two daughter nuclei. Two daughter nuclei. Okay, see here even more clearly. The constriction further deepened. Okay, and as it is deepening, the further elongation of the nucleus, and finally it will divide to form two daughter nuclei. So at the same time, there will be a centripetal constriction. So can you see this pink arrows that I have put here, which I have told you is the starting of the cytoplasmic constriction. Now here I am putting them again. So these are the cytoplasmic constriction. So if this is the cell, let us say the constriction started like this. So I am having a small furrow-like structure formed. Okay, this will further increase towards the center. So this is centripetal movement. Centripetal means from outside to inside. So from outside to inside, the constriction will move, dividing the cytoplasm into two parts. And that is what happened here. When the daughter nuclei divides, the cytoplasm also divides to form two daughter cells after the constriction. So this is amitosis. Now if you look at this diagram very clearly, there is no spindle fiber formation anywhere. There is no condensation of the chromosomes. Okay, the division of the nucleus is happening within the nuclear membrane, and then followed by the cell division. So that's why this is called as amitosis.
For more content, like, share and subscribe to www.i-win.in.